Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to market your network business opportunity, in particular, your Genesity business. All right. I get this question a lot because I get people that join my team and they like the idea, they like the whole concept of Genesity, the products, what we offer, and everything. But one of the first questions I get is like, yo, how do I promote this? Like, how do I get this out there? And I understand it can be overwhelming and people get anxious and everything, but I tell people, listen, there's tons of ways that you can promote Genesity and their products, right? If I were people, I would look at some options, right? Experiment a little bit with different marketing methods and see which ones, A, give you the best results, and B, that you feel comfortable doing on a regular basis. What I've realized over the years with me is I'm more like a video person. I like doing videos more than like writing articles, which I do write articles and stuff, but like I find like I enjoy getting my point across using the video platform rather than say writing or even getting flyers and stuff like that. My whole thing is kind of like using video. So you might feel comfortable, getting flyers, shipped to your house, and you might just want to hit the pavement. You know what I'm saying? Get offline, and you might be a people person like that, right? I got one guy, really determined, and he loves cold calling, right? A lot of people hate cold calling, right? I personally hate cold calling. I'm cool. If someone talking to me, I'm good. But cold calling people, I suck at it. I've done it before. It's not my thing. But I got a guy on my team who loves it. He doesn't mind it. And let me tell you this, I'm being honest. If you join Genesity, right, and you like or don't mind cold calling, you're going to do very, very, very well because of the products. If you're not familiar with Genesity, watch my other videos. Basically, we offer Bluetooth marketing. We put ads on Android phones, basically, right? Soft notifications on people's phones. That's what we offer, right? But you can look that up. But anyway, cold calling is a great tool to have because the products that we offer are easy to promote to any business, right? So literally, you can look in the phone book and look at anything: bakeries, plumbers, electricians, realtors, anybody. And if you feel comfortable just calling them and say, hey, look, I got this advertising tool. It's new, it's fresh, it's innovative. We can put ads on people's smartphones. Are you interested? It's that simple, right? So my point is, find whatever works for you. You might be a video person, and if you are, I would tell you to create a YouTube channel similar to what I'm doing now and talk about the business, talk about the benefits, talk about how to get started, talk about how you promote it. And once you do these videos, you want to share these videos, right? Share them on your Facebook, put clips on Instagram or whatever, and really get active. You know what I mean? Like, you got to get active. So that's just how to do it. Try certain methods. I would try the video, doing videos, YouTube. I would try some offline methods, even word of mouth, stuff like that. Whatever, you can even try mailers, cold calling, right? Find the one that fits your personality, your style, your schedule, and run with it, right? That's the best way to promote your network business opportunity, and especially the Genesity opportunity. All right. So if you're watching this video and you're not on my team or not affiliated with Genesity and you want to, all you need to do is click the link in the description. You'll see it. Click on it. You'll put your name and email, and then you'll have the opportunity to join as an associate, which is very, very low. It's only $15 a month to be an associate. And when you're an associate, you have the opportunity to build a huge team and a huge income, but just be ready to work. All right. So when you become an associate, you'll be working with me. and I'm gonna help you out every step of the way. All right. So if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.